What's going on, guys? This is GeoPro campers, and on the GeoPro 19BH we just installed Screendoor handle. It's a must. I don't know how many times the kiddos held onto this thing, even though there's an entire thing on this side right here that they hang on to. They constantly are hanging on to this. I'm on a hill, so I got my, it's not tape, it's screen repair because the bugs are out of control. But anyways, this is the handle. Drilled it on the lip. One thing to do is never drill it on this side because you won't be able to close the door. You have to drill it right here. These screws did not come with the screen door handle. And this is a really cheap Temu one. I actually got it from AliExpress, and it kind of just like holds. There's no holes. I guess I can drill some, but it doesn't pop out. But yeah, kids constantly hang on to it. Let's go inside here, and I'm using it right now. I used it right now. Open and close. So one thing when you drill, make sure you don't have that closed, because I drilled and made a little hole right there. Just make sure it's about halfway. But other than that, that's about it. The screws, I just used some little black screws. I don't remember what size they were, a small bit. They were self-tapping, so I just started the tap with a bit and then screwed the screws in. And they go in about halfway, as you can see. Not too much, but it's holding pretty good. Another thing I added was these little dish things. It's for the sink, because it's always getting wet behind this 19BH, always behind there. You guys probably have the same problem. This thing's supposedly gonna catch some of the water. You can kind of lean it up. Hopefully it would catch some of the water instead of constantly getting behind here and I mean, I gotta clean that up. It's getting kind of wet there. Just like that. All right, have a good day.